Most people think joint pain is just a normal part of aging. But what if two simple strength exercises could help protect your knees, hips, and back, even after 40? Many physical therapists say these movements can improve joint stability and reduce injury risk in just a few weeks. The surprising part? Most people either don't do them at all or they do them incorrectly. Let's fix that today. Why joint strength matters. If you want healthier joints as you age, the solution isn't stretching more. It's building stronger muscles around your joints. Your knees, hips, and shoulders rely on surrounding muscles to absorb force and keep your body stable. When those muscles are weak, the joints take most of the stress. Over time, this extra pressure can contribute to pain, instability, and conditions like osteoarthritis. The good news? Just two simple exercises can make a big difference. Strength move number 1, squats. The squat is one of the most effective exercises for protecting your knees and hips. Squats strengthen important muscle groups, including quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, and core muscles. When these muscles are strong, everyday movements like walking, climbing stairs, and standing up become easier. How to do a safe squat. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest up and your core tight. Slowly bend your knees and hips as if sitting in a chair. Lower your body until your thighs are nearly parallel to the floor, then push through your heels to stand back up. Beginners can start with 10 repetitions for 2 to 3 sets. This exercise helps reduce pressure on your knees and improves lower body stability. Strength move number 2, deadlifts. The second powerful movement is the deadlift. Deadlifts strengthen the posterior chain, which includes glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and core muscles. These muscles stabilize your spine and hips. Weak posterior chain muscles are a common cause of lower back discomfort and poor posture. How to perform a simple deadlift. Stand with feet hip-width apart and hold a dumbbell in front of your thighs. Push your hips back while keeping your back straight. Lower the weight toward the floor, then return to standing. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions for 2 to 3 sets. Focus on good form rather than heavy weight. So what's the bottom line? Joint pain doesn't always mean your joints are failing. Often, it simply means the muscles supporting them need to get stronger. By adding squats and deadlifts to your weekly routine, you can protect your joints, improve mobility, and stay active for years to come. Your future self will thank you for starting today.